Is your current MDM letting bad apps on board your Mac fleet with no way to stop them? With Kandji, you set the rules. Only allow the right access to the right apps, while the rest get blocked at the gates. Join me at the desktop to find out how. Okay, great. We are back at the desktop. I'm going to add a library item, and today we are exploring the app blocking library item. Let's give this a title and apply this to a blueprint. Now, to block any application, all we need to know is either the process, the path, the developer ID, or the bundle ID. If I really wanted to, I could include all of those and ensure there's no way for that application to run. I can also include any custom messaging that I need for the end user to understand why that application is blocked. Now, today, I don't have any of this information. So what can I do? Well, let's go and have a look at one of the devices that is already running an application that I need to block. So I'll save this for now, head over to devices, and let's go pull up Julie's device. Everybody keeps reporting Julie is playing a lot of games using Steam. So let's search for Steam. I can see Steam is installed on that device. And here I can easily choose block application, and I can apply the process identifier, the full path, the bundle ID, and the developer ID to my app blocking library item. As easy as that. Great. Now let's go and see what this looks like for the end user on their device. We are at the desktop of Julie's device. We're going to open up Steam. And as soon as we do that, we get the application blocked message. The application is prevented from loaded, and now the user can see the exact application that's been blocked. And we also have the custom messaging that you can add, as well as that custom link, which a user can click on. In this scenario, it takes us to our Kandji support page. I hope you found this useful, and I hope this benefits you in terms of securing your Mac fleet in your environment. I will see you next time for more tips and tricks with Kandji. See you soon.